Hi student, today we should learn the important article in a kinetic theory of gases, that is the pressure of ideal gas, and for that we consider the cubical container of side L enclosed with a gas. You know that gas is the collection of large number of molecules in the order of Avogadro's number. Inside the container, the molecules moves randomly. The motion of the molecules considered as a elastic collision, and in elastic collision the kinetic energy and momentum are conserved. So interaction between the molecules are negligible because the average distance between molecules more than the size of the molecules, and we only consider the interaction of molecule with the wall of the container. We consider the cubical container has a shaded wall parallel to YZ plane. When the molecule moves with a velocity Vx, Vy, Vz, then after strike the shaded wall, the molecules rebounds back. So its only x component of velocity is changes, but y and z components does not changes, and we get Vx, Vy, Vz is turned to minus Vx, Vy, Vz. So the molecules changing the momentum, and it is given by del px change in momentum equal to final minus initial momentum, that is minus mvx. This negative sign due to the reverse direction of the molecules, minus mvx, we get minus twice mvx. But according to conservation principle of conservation of momentum, change in momentum is equal to plus twice mvx. During the collision, the molecules collides with the wall of the container and rebounds back. So in between two collision, it travels the distance twice L, and the time interval for this collision is del T equal to twice L upon Vx. To calculate the pressure as well as force, first we need to calculate the average momentum per unit time. Therefore, average force is equal to average momentum per unit time, and we get twice mvx upon twice L by Vx is equal to m Vx 1 square. We use the suffix 1 for molecule 1 upon L, and similarly for other molecules 2, 3, 4 we write Vx2 square, Vx3 square, Vx4 square, etc. Therefore, the average force is equal to sum of the group of all the molecules of x component velocity, that is equal to average force m by L Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus Vx3 square plus dash 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 n. According to definition, average pressure is equal to average force upon area of the shaded wall, that is equal to m upon L cube in bracket Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus dash dash dash. Average of the square of x component of velocity bar Vx square is equal to Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus Vx3 square up to n upon capital N. So, average pressure is equal to m upon L cube n bar Vx square, but L cube is the volume of cubical container, and so we write m n bar Vx square upon V. But by symmetry, bar Vx square equal to bar Vy square equal to bar Vz square, that is equal to 1 by 3 in bracket bar Vx square plus bar Vy square plus bar Vz square, that is equal to 1 by 3 bar V square, and in this way we get the final expression of average pressure, that is equal to 1 by 3 n m by V bar V square. In this expression, the area of the wall as well as time for collision do not appear, and we concluded that the pressure of the ideal gas is same for any arbitrary shape wall of the container. Thank you so much, students.